Checking for some questions from the textbook. Example 1. Every whole number is a natural number. We know that whole number is W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, etc. So every whole number is a natural number. We know that the whole number consists of natural numbers and 0. The 0 is not there in the natural number. So every whole number is a natural number is not correct. We can say every whole number is not a natural number. Second question, every integer is a rational number. Every integer is a rational number. We can say that integers consist of, we know integers consist of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. And the rational numbers are numbers which can be written in P by Q form, where Q is not equal to 0. So integers, for example minus 2, it can be written as minus 2 by 1. 3, it can be written as 3 by 1. 5, it can be written as 5 by 1. 0, it can be written as 0 by 1. So every integer can be represented in P by Q form. So every integer is a rational number. This is a correct statement. Next is every rational number is an integer. This is a reverse of the previous question. Every rational number is an integer. Check this number 5 by 7. 5 by 7 is not an integer. It is not a counting number, you know. It is not an integer. 5 by 7 is not an integer. But 5 is 5 by 1. It is an integer. It is equal to 5. So it is an integer. Like 7 by 1, it is an integer. It is equal to 7. So it is an integer. But 5 by 7, 3 by 4, then 6 by 5, like this. We cannot say that these numbers are rational numbers, but they are not integers. Next is we have to find out the number of rational numbers between two numbers, whether they are integers or rational numbers. So in order to find out the rational numbers between two given rational numbers or two given integers, we have to keep in mind that there are infinite number of rational numbers between any two given rational number or integer. In the example given in the textbook, we have to find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. You have to find 5 rational numbers. The step is very simple. You have to find between 1 and 2. So convert is since it is in the integer form, we have to convert it into rational number form, into rational numbers. That is 1 is 1 by 1 and 2 is 2 by 1. There is no change in its value. We are just converting it into rational form. Then now multiply the numerator and the denominator by a number in such a way that it should be greater than the number of rational numbers you have to find out. For example, here you have to find 5 rational numbers. So you can multiply this by any number which is greater than 5. I am taking 10. You can take 20, 30, 40, any number you can say. Even you can take 6. Then I am taking here the number 10. Multiplying the numerator and the denominator by 10, you get 10 by 10. Actually it is 1. There is no change in value. And here also 2 by 1 into 10 by 10. It will become 20 by 10. So here you get two rational numbers, 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. In between you can to find out the rational numbers. Can you tell which are the rational numbers between 10 by 10 and 20 by 10? Since the denominators are same, we can say it is 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10 up to 19 by 10. So from here you can write any 5 rational numbers. You can replace this 10 by 20, 15, 13, 7, 9, you can select any number, but it should be greater than 5, because you have to write minimum 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. You can select any number, then you will get 2 rational numbers like this with the same denominator, and you can write the numbers in between them to find out the number of the rational numbers between the given two numbers. And so just keep in mind that here you have to keep in mind that you have to select a number such that it should be greater than the numbers you have to find out. Here you have to find 5 rational numbers, so you can take any number which is greater than 5. Multiply by numerator and denominator, then you will get two rational numbers with the same denominator. Then you can write the numbers in between them.